Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can download and install Spotify, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to download and install the latest version of Spotify from the official website on your Windows 11 PC correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. Now open up your favorite web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is a step-by-step detailed blog post explaining how to download and install Spotify on Windows 11. Scroll up and find step 1. Here, look for Download Spotify and click on this link. It will open official page for downloading the latest version of Spotify. Play millions of songs and podcasts on your device. Click on download button. And now you can see Spotify installer file is started downloading here. Once the downloads get finished, click on this up arrow and select show in folder. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file and it starts downloading and installing the actual software. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on Spotify. And it's done. As you can see, we have the latest Spotify version installed here. If you followed the steps in this video and reach until here, I'm assuming this method has been working for you. So I'm requesting you to please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will definitely boost my morale for making more such videos. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to learn how to download and install applications easily. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.